In this video, we will show you how to change the cooling liquid of the R5 and N4+. We will demonstrate the maintenance task using an R5, but the required steps for both models are very similar. For this task, have the following items ready: a wet cloth, a mild cleaning agent, and a cleaning brush. Take the cooling liquid tank out of the machine. Lift the cover off the tank. Take the strainer basket out of the tank and tap it out. Clean the strainer basket thoroughly under running water with the cleaning brush. Empty the cooling liquid tank. Dispose of machining residues and cooling liquid as described in the chapter on disposal in the operating instructions. There are two versions of the cooling liquid filter. Version A is plugged, version B is screwed. For version A, pull out the filter. For version B, do not loosen the filter at the top but at the metal ring below. Unscrew the filter. Rinse the filter under running water. Do not strain the fine filter too much, as it may get damaged. Thoroughly clean the tank with the cleaning brush. Use a mild cleaning agent if necessary. If you have used a cleaning agent, ensure that no residues remain in the cooling liquid tank. Depending on your filter, plug in or screw down the filter in the cooling liquid tank. Only use drinking water with no added chlorine as cooling liquid. Do not use distilled or carbonated water. Fill the cooling liquid tank with drinking water until it reaches the max mark. Note: when processing titanium blanks, add the cooling lubricant Tech Liquid Pro from VHF to increase the tool life values. You can find the correct amount of Tech Liquid Pro for your machine in the video description below. Insert the strainer basket into the tank cover and put the cover onto the tank. Thoroughly clean the solid surface under the cooling liquid tank with a cloth. Insert the cooling liquid tank into the multi-purpose compartment until the tank is properly attached to the machine. Once you have finished exchanging the cooling liquid, mark the corresponding task as complete in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. Exchanging the cooling liquid. This will keep your list up to date. For a comprehensive knowledge base about VHF dental machines and DentalCam, visit dentalportal.info. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.